Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well and taking good care of yourselves. I welcome you all to your English class for grade 7. Let's see what we have to do today. The learning outcomes of today's lesson are: understand what a narrative is, differentiate between a narrative and a recount. So, the topic under discussion is narrative versus recount. Narrative. A narrative is a form of writing that tells a story. Elements of a narrative: plot, characters, setting, conflict, resolution. Let's discuss plot. The plot is the storyline. It is made up of the various events in the story. It has a beginning, middle, climax, end. Characters: the people, animals, or inanimate objects that are affected by the actions of the plot or who are the cause of certain events. Setting: the setting of an event is the time and place in which it happens. The atmosphere is a major part of the setting. It allows the readers to visualize the scenes and the scenes in those scenes. It is where and when a story takes place. Conflict: it is the problem that a character faces. There are different types of conflict: character versus character, character versus society, character versus self, character versus nature. Character versus character. In this type of conflict, the main character is having a problem with another character in the story, human or not. For example, in the play script, the conflict between Ted Baldwin and McMurdo. Character versus society. In this type of conflict, the main character has a conflict with a larger group, a community, a culture, society, etc. For example, in the novel White Dolphin, the conflict between Kay Wood and illegal dredging. Character versus self. In this type of conflict, the main character experiences some sort of inner conflict. Character versus nature. In this type of conflict, some force of nature is causing the problem for the main character. For example, rain. Resolution. The part of a narrative in which the conflict is resolved. The narrative must end with a resolution to the conflict. It may or may not be a happy ending. The resolution at the end of the story, it is when you learn what happens to the characters after the conflict is resolved. Examples: myth, fable, legend, recount. Let's just discuss recount. A recount is a form of writing that retells events or experiences in the past. Elements of a recount: orientation, events, reorientation. Here are the examples: letter, diary, newspaper article. Let's just discuss narrative versus recount. Narrative narrates a story, whereas recount retells an event. The purpose of a narrative is mainly to entertain. The purpose of a recount is to inform and entertain. Narrative has a complication and a resolution. Recount does not have a complication or a resolution. The central part of a narrative is the conflict faced by its characters. The central part of a recount is the sequence of events. Narrative does not use a specific order. Recount describes the events in chronological order. Thank you.